strawberry lemonade, strawberry juice, and strawberry drinks. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this delicious drink. Welcome to Olayemi cooking channel. If you are new here, you're welcome. My name is Olayemi. I aim to give a simple recipe. So we are using fresh strawberries to make our strawberry lemonade or strawberry drinks. So this is a fresh strawberry. You can as well use frozen fresh strawberry to make your lemonade. So I'm also using 1 lemon and half cup of water. Any type of water, it can be cold water. So I'm also using 1 teaspoon of sugar. This is optional. You can skip it or you can use honey as your sweetening. So I'm going to dissolve my sugar in water. I'll give it a quick mix. I want my sugar to be dissolved with my water. So that is the reason I'm adding sugar to my water to dissolve it. So after that, let's dive into our other step of our strawberry lemonade. So I'm going to cut my lemon into smaller size. Please drop all nice comment in the comment section. So I'm going to slice it because I'm going to be needing few slices to dress my lemonade, my strawberry lemonade. So I already cut it, so I'm going to squeeze out the lemon juice because I need the lemon juice. Normally this will always have seeds. Sometimes I'm being lucky not to have lemon that have seed, but actually I normally buy the one that have seed. So I'm going to squeeze it just to have our lemon juice. My kids are also in the kitchen assisting me, so you can see their hand. So I'm going to squeeze it to get my lemon juice. Then I'm going to sieve it to remove the seed of the lemon as well, because I'm going to need the lemon juice to make my strawberry lemonade or strawberry drinks or strawberry juice. Anything you feel like calling it is perfectly okay. So let's go ahead and remove the seed from the lemon juice before proceeding to our strawberry lemonade. So this is the outcome. I already cut my strawberries and I already clean it up. So let's start making it. So let me show you all the ingredients we are using to make our strawberry drinks or strawberry lemonade or strawberry juice. Whatever you feel like calling it is fine. So this is our cut strawberries. I'm using like 9 pieces of fresh strawberries. Then I'm going to add into my blender jar, and then I'm going to add my water as well. My water mixed with sugar, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then I'm going to add my lemon into it, my lemon juice as well. So I'll also be using frozen strawberries, like 7 pieces of frozen strawberries. I just want the drink to be very chill. You can as well add ice cube to it. Actually, I don't have ice cube in my freezer, so I just want to use frozen fruit to make it cool. You can as well follow our Facebook page as Olayemi Cooking. If you are watching this on Facebook, please follow our YouTube page, YouTube channel by subscribing to our channel, and remember to share this video with your friends and your loved ones. This drink is very refreshing, and do not forget to like us on our Facebook page and our YouTube page as well. So leave all your brilliant and perfect questions or comments in the section. Please leave your comments in the comment section. I love to see more of your comments. I love to see more of your anything you think about this drink. Please leave all in the comment section. I want to see it. I love responding to your questions and your answer, and it will encourage me to do more recipes. Please leave all your questions and your comments down there. I'm always there to read it. And thanks so much for your support. So this is it. You are going to blend it until it's well smooth. I love the color. It looks very inviting. So I'm going to add it in my glass cup to serve it, and my children can't even wait for this. It's very sunny here and it's a summer period, so this is also a refreshing drink for summer. So please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. If you're watching it on Facebook, please search for Olayemi on YouTube and subscribe to our channel, and remember to drop that a nice comment in the comment section to encourage us. So this is all the ingredients I use. I use fresh strawberry and frozen strawberry and lemon. So our drink is ready. Please enjoy this with the slice of lemon on it. Do not forget to subscribe to Olayemi channel. It means a lot to me. It costs you nothing, but it encourages me to do more recipe with you guys and more drink. Thanks so much for watching this strawberry lemonade or strawberry drinks or strawberry juice, anything you feel like calling it. Thanks so much for watching Olayemi cooking. I guess I will see you in my next recipe. Please do not forget to watch my plantain chips and this my cucumber smoothie as well. I guess I will see you in my next recipe. Be safe.